How to move mobile contacts to Gmail account. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this video. Starting off, you need to open up your contacts. Select the option of contacts. Now we need to secure all of this contact, that is to move to our Gmail account. In order to do so, simply tap on the three dot or just head to the contact settings. From here you will see save location. Select the option. Currently, it is saved at phone. To move it into a Gmail, select any of the Gmail account. Once you have selected a particular Gmail account, it will be now saved and backed up in that particular account. You can restore it easily even if your phone crashed. If it's not working, check out for cache. Press and hold onto your contact application and head to App Info. Force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Then repeat the process. Next step, go ahead and open up your phone setting. From here, scroll down until you see the option of Account or Google. Select Google. Now from here, select the option of your Gmail account. Make sure that you have connected the particular Gmail account to your mobile device. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.